Crypterium is currently valued at 10 cents per CRPTS, and the intraday volume is 1,107,930. A significant manner backing for the buy and substantial bears in every practical sense has been established at 0.097 criteriums. Contrary to widespread belief, EMA 10 demonstrates a remarkably descending pattern. 17 to 25 July 2023. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through the Crypterium cost examination for now or for the next week, and we will endeavor to answer these questions in a way that demonstrates that we've gotten clarification on some facts and what the momentary cost expectation is for Crypterium. Crypterium is generally CRPT, and in all practical terms, the reason why is speculative as opposed to prevalent belief. Crypterium support and opposition levels, etc., or so they generally believed. Nonetheless, prior to delving truly profound into the CRPT technical examination, let's discuss the current economic climate, which is ordinarily very important. Analysis of the market over the most recent 24 hours indicates a loss of 1.84, increasing the total digital currency market to $1 trillion. 177,112561953, which demonstrates that prior to delving profoundly into the CRPT, specialized investigation allowed us to discuss the current economic climate. In contrast to popular belief, the overall trading volume remains at 205776384,440, which is a significant number. Bitcoin share is 49.89% of the entry market, whereas Ethereum has a strength of 16.33%. Which has led to Bitcoin's price falling to 30,231.42 cents after a decline of 0.54, demonstrating how Crypterium support and resistance levels, etc., are very large compared to other cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum has seen a value decline of 0.65 coming to 1860.73 over the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. Generally speaking, these occasions demonstrate that the market is going in a distinctly descending bearing at the present time, which is in opposition to what is generally accepted. At the present time, a fundamentally extensive exceptionally terrible plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, demonstrating that, before jumping profoundly into the CRPT, we should discuss the current economic situation. Crypterium backing and obstruction backing and opposition fundamentally are significant specialized pointers used to especially recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which especially demonstrates that the all-inclusive exchanging volume generally remains at 20,577,638,4440, and an unobtrusive manner support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers really become a lot more dynamic and essentially avoid the coin as covet. Dynamic and undoubtedly prevent the coin's prices from rising, indicating that market analysis over the last 24 hours revealed a 1.84% decline, bringing the total cryptocurrency market to $1,177 billion. 112561953. Which for the most part demonstrates that prior to jumping profoundly into the CRPT specialized examination, let's talk about the current economic conditions and the support and opposition levels of Crypterium CRPT in every practical sense. Crypterium execution. The current, relevant Crypterium price is 10 cents, with a trading volume of 11,07930 and a value type of token. Crypterium has a market capitalization of $83.82,866 as of yesterday, demonstrating its support and resistance levels, etc., in an unobtrusive manner over the past 24 hours. Currently, CRPT is trading in the vicinity of 5.67, which is a significant change from yesterday. Crypterium Value Investigation CRPT Cost Examination for 17 to 25 July 2023 Insight and Daily Time Span demonstrating how Crypterium is ordinarily purchase and sell valued at 10 cents. The fluctuating intraday volume for CRPT remains at $1,177,930, which is extremely high. We use fundamentally relative strength index RSI to move the stock in a normal direction. Union and uniqueness mapped support levels. Crypterium is currently valued at 10 cents. CRPT's truly intraday volume essentially remains at 11,07,930, and in unobtrusive manner, the quick opposition for CRPT basically is in every practical sense found at 12 cents, and a breakout from this level could by and large leads towards the genuinely next obstruction, which can really be truly found at 13 cents. Exhibiting how market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there explicitly was a ruin of 1.84, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to 1,177,112,561,953 dollars, which fundamentally shows that yet prior to plunging genuinely profound into the CRPT specialized investigation explicitly let us certainly discuss the for the most part current economic situations in an unpretentious manner, on the truly other hand assuming the bearer for the most part assumed command. And CRPT cost generally neglects to sort of break out above 12 cents it could fall back towards the vital help at 0.097, showing that following by and large are the help and obstruction levels of Crypterium CRPT Crypterium execution. The present Crypterium cost specifically is 10 cents with an exchanging volume of 11,07,930, and the precise beyond 24 hours, which is ordinarily enormous. The MACD line is remaining underneath of the sort of sine line after a hybrid demonstrating how Bitcoin is performing. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, approved BlackRock's latest application for a spot Bitcoin ETF. On its website, the governing body recognized that BlackRock had filed an ETF in a section for ETFs filed in the third quarter of the year. Along with BlackRock, a few other top asset managers also sent in papers that were accepted by the SEC. On the site, there were also job applications from Fidelity, WisdomTree Funds, VanEck, Galaxy Digital, and Invesco US. It's important to note that top investment companies like ARK Invest, 21 shares, and Bitwise Invest have already passed this stage with their Bitcoin ETF applications. Key players in the cryptocurrency market have said what they think about the new change. People in the market have all had good things to say about the change on the SEC's website. James Seifert, a research expert for Bloomberg who writes about crypto and Bitcoin, seems to think that the market is already doing well. "We're off to the races," he said, adding that the application from Valkyrie Funds is next. It's important to note that this is only one of many steps that must be taken for the SEC to accept ETF applications. But the steps don't make a difference in the clearance process, as Seifert told it. "Given how things have been going lately, I have to think that Valkyrie Fund's application will be approved on Monday."